Saturday. Have a really bad confession to make. I have got absolutely no vlog today. Earlier today, Sue, wife of YouTuber, and I look at this tan.
It's gonna be nice.
She was physical distancing from the sun, but we went out for a drive, and this is all I recorded. All right.
Be back in a bit. You need anything from the booth place? Ooh. How come there's so much pollen on it?
It was clean.
Huh.
Didn't you see the vlog yesterday?
You did a vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, it rained yesterday.
Because I washed the truck.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thanks. So now it's like 7:30 and I got nothing. This is Jock. He's our friend and our landlord. He's the owner of Hunter the dog. And he's taking us on a nature walk.
We're on the Wine Walk Nature Tour. This is going to be amazing. We got baby owls, we got hummingbirds, and we got long nests. And
Long nests?
yeah, long nest birds. I don't know what they're called, but that's what I call them, the long nest. So now we're entering the hummingbird den.
There it is, right there. Right there. Use your imagination. I don't know what this is.
Stacking straight up. Okay, let's go.
Oh, hi. So cute.
This isn't good. I feel like we're in a bad episode of Indiana Jones.
I don't know what this bird is called, but I call him the long nest bird because I don't know what he's called. Supposedly smaller than a hummingbird.
Basically, it's another small nest with apparently a bird in there. Yeah, I think we're onto something here. Like, well, Jock, thanks for the guided tour of the forest and the birds.
Wine tour.